How are you doing, guys? This is Linda from Veritech. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, go ahead and subscribe the channel. Also hit the like button and click the bell notification so in that way you will know when we have new videos out. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use the DTF printer step by step. Alright, what is the necessary material for the DTF printer? First of all is the DTF printer. For this printer, the max print size print width is A3. A3 for the print size is A3. And the second necessary material is the DTF printer, like this one. DTF printer. This is A4 size, 30 centimeter width. And for the DTF PET film, if classified by the peel-off type, it will have two types. One is hot and cold peel DTF film, and another is cold peel-off. And if classified by the surface, there will be two types. It's single side matte and double side matte. And what is the next one needed DTF consumable is the DTF ink. I will show you. The second one is the DTF ink, which have 5 colors: CMYK and white. The white ink needs to be gently rolled or shaken daily to avoid the pigment separation. The third necessary material is DTF powder. Some people also call it hot melt powder, TPU powder, adhesive powder, or DTF transfer powder. The main material is TPU. It has different mesh. The middle mesh is the widely used and is the most popular one. So let's start to operate the machine. First, turn on the machine. Press this button, and then go to the control panel. Press the enter, and move to the second one. Press the enter. The second one, automatic cleaning the nozzle. Then enter. Now the printer has its automatic cleaning. Usually we will clean the print heads twice when we just start to operate the DTF printer. The second step, we will do the nozzle test. Let's check whether the test roller is in good condition. So let's start to print. It's two print heads, one print CMYK and another print white ink. And it can spray the powder automatically. Try the DTF powder, and the temperature which I sent is 130 degrees. Currently it's just 120 degrees. It is received raw automatically. Now let's do the heat press. The temperature which I set is 135 degrees, and the press time is 15 seconds. The film is the hot peel off, so you can peel off when the temperature is high. Very easy to peel off. It is very clean. You can see, and it is stretchable. I stretch the prints very hard, but it is still with good. The prints still good. You can see. We won't damage the print. Now let's do the washable of the prints. Now let's do the washable test. Washing the prints very hard. See, the prints still with amazing color, and the surface didn't have any damage. Now let's test it won't be damaged by with hard crack. You see. Later I add some washing liquid, dish washing liquid. You see? It is a washer and anti-scratch. Stretchable, anti-scratch. Alright guys, that's it for this video. So if you are interested in DTF printing, or you are interested in our DTF printer or the suppliers of the DTF, just leave message below this video, or you can contact us by the WhatsApp +8613450297096. This is Linda from Veritech, and as always, keep printing. See ya!